Is your basement turning into an indoor swimming pool? Don't let a broken sump pump ruin your peace of mind. At Precision Plumbing, Heating Air, we specialize in sump pump repair right here in Centerville, Ohio. Whether your pump is making strange noises, refusing to turn on, or just not keeping up with heavy rains, we're the local experts you can trust. With over 40 years of experience in the business, we know exactly how to get your sump pump back in working order fast. Our team combines expertise with cutting-edge technology to diagnose and repair sump pump issues with precision. From clogged discharge lines to faulty float switches, we've seen it all and we've fixed it all. We don't just repair, we educate. During every service call, we take the time to explain the problem, offer long-lasting solutions, and ensure your home is protected from future water damage. Plus, with our commitment to same-day service, your sump pump woes won't last long. So why risk a flooded basement when help is just a call away? Trust the experts at Precision Plumbing, Heating Air to keep your Centerville home safe and dry. Call us today or visit our website to schedule your sump pump repair. Don't wait until the next downpour, protect your home with precision.